I believe most people have heard of the classic Chinese dish, scrambled eggs with tomatoes. But do you know how to make it, or do you know whether to cook the eggs or the tomatoes first? Today, let me show you how to make this dish. First, prepare 2 eggs that are said to make you smarter, a wrap and a tender tomato, and some garlic. The first step is to score a cross at the bottom of the tomato with a knife. Then, place the tomato in a pot of water and heat it. This step helps loosen the skin, making it easier to peel. While the tomato is enjoying its hot spring bath, we can start preparing the eggs. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and beat them well. If you have the ingredients at home, you can add a pinch of salt and a little white vinegar to remove any eggy smell. Once beaten, set the eggs aside. Next, let's deal with the garlic. I have a quick and easy trick for peeling garlic. Simply press it with the flat side of a knife, and the skin will come off effortlessly. You can use this method for all the garlic cloves. Then, finely chop the peeled garlic. By now, the tomato should be ready. You will notice how easily the skin peels away. Alternatively, you can also roast the tomato over an open flame to loosen the skin. Once peeled, place the tomato on a cutting board, cut it in half, and then chop it into small pieces. Be sure to remove the tough stem part, unless you actually enjoy eating it, in which case, just ignore what I say. Now that all the ingredients are ready, it's time to start cooking. First, heat a pan over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, add some oil. When you see small bubbles forming in oil, pour in beaten eggs. Let them sit undisturbed. Don't stir immediately. Wait for the eggs to set slightly before gently breaking them into pieces. At this stage, you don't need to cook the eggs completely. Just ensure they are no longer runny. Using the same pan and the remaining oil, add the chopped garlic and stir it a few times until fragrant. Then, add the chopped tomatoes and continue to stir fry. At this point, adding a pinch of salt will help the tomatoes release their juices more quickly. Keep stirring until the tomatoes soften. If you're unsure whether they are ready, try pressing them with a spatula. If they mash easily, they are done. Now, add a splash of water, followed by the seasonings, a spoonful of light soy sauce, a little sugar. Adjust the amount based on your preference. And if you want a stronger flavor, just add a bit of oyster sauce. Stir well to combine. Then, return the scrambled eggs to the pan and stir everything together over high heat. And that's it. Your delicious and simple scrambled eggs with the tomatoes is ready. Does it look easy and convenient? Give it a try and let me know how it turns out.